Welcome to the program Improving Thinking Skills the M.M. Patel Way. In this program, we will understand concepts related to thinking skills, measurement of thinking skills using well-defined parameters, methods and techniques of improving thinking skills, and finally, exercises to improve thinking skills. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos. Now we come to third dimension of thinking, that is elaboration. Let's undergo a small test. You have just grouped the words related to the topic cinema. Take one group of your choice. Now write more words directly and indirectly related to the words of the group chosen. You have 3 minutes time for the exercise. Your paper would look like this. The group benefits. Under this group, the words written are influence, advantages, languages, learning, etc. Now for each of these words, you will have to write more words for detailing the word written. Now you can stop the video and write the words for 3 minutes. Your list will look something like this. We take the first word, influence. To elaborate influence, you might have written children, students, parents, couples, teachers, citizens, farmers, doctors, etc. Now if you see the words, the elaboration has been made on the topic influence on. What will be the influence? Those words are still to be included. How to avoid negative influences? Again there will be many words. How to build on positive influences? Again there will be many words. I am sure you are understanding the meaning of elaboration. For advantages you can see the words. For learning you can see the word. For language you can see the words. For information you can see the words. And for invention you can see the words. Now let's continue our discussion. You have grouped the words related to the topic cinema, and then you have added words related to the group chosen by you. We will focus on that part. Ask yourself the following questions. To what extent you could elaborate the group considered by you using the words written by you? Is it possible to add more words to the group? You can also compare number of words and possible elaboration with other participants. And now we come to measure the third dimension of thinking, that is your ability to elaborate. You need to have details of your ideas. Your task will not be complete without necessary details. You will also not be able to properly justify your ideas in absence of relevant details. Even if you want to implement your action plan, the detailing is necessary. Now, the number of words you have written related to a particular point indicate your ability to elaborate. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on improving thinking skills the M.M. Patel way.